YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel, welcome back. And you're free to like and join and subscribe, cost you no money, free. So anyway, I just stopped here at some Dollar Tree, got a tiny home. Got me some pens, 1.0. Some plastic spoons for scooping. It's got a little buffing nail set. And then I just got this little pencil tower. They had them in a couple colors. That of course you can put your pencils in. So I just thought it might be the ones that I use a lot. I can stick them in here, you know. Oops. Anyway, so I didn't have colors I wanted, but this was suffice just to put a few things. Oops. In there. So yeah. They had a whole bunch of little different supplies like that, but I may decorate this. I don't like the yellow, and it doesn't go with my decor, but it's nice to have handy. You can put whatever you want in here. So that was there, and then I just got some pom-pom trim. I just got 2 of the white, 2 of the green, and 2 of the red. So this is also what I got. Now this is not new, but for whatever reason everything was fully stocked, and I decided to go ahead and get it. I've seen this in my store before. This was a different store, and I don't know what made me decide to go ahead and get all of it that day, but I decided I'm gonna get it all. So of course, like I said, you've seen this. This is the black and the silver, the champagne and the gold, or pink, whatever you want to call that, shimmers. And then you got your glossy holographic, and then you got your matte buffalo plaid, which you got it in the white version and in the red, and then you got your leopard print. So I don't know, they were speaking to me that day. When I seen them before, they did, and then they disappeared, and then the store had them all stocked back up. So that is what I got from the Dollar Tree. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.